Hello everyone, welcome to Setters PH free webinar. For today's session, guys, we are going to talk about a very important what do you call this? A very important topic, no, and it's for free, and it's all about using or maximizing Facebook and Instagram to get clients without spending money on ads. This is something that will absolutely help you. Previously, we talked about how to make money online by lead generation. We talked about how to get clients through LinkedIn. We talked about how to get clients through cold emails and messages. This week naman, we're going to talk about how to leverage FB and Instagram using, how to get clients using FB and Instagram without paying for ads. Okay? Who's excited for today's session? Comment excited if you're excited for today's session. Comment excited if you're excited for today's session because we invited a very special guest para we can talk about this today at para may bago na naman kayong matutunan, okay, sa session na ito. Ayan yung mga excited. Ayan. Kaya kung ako sa'yo guys, if you want to watch the previous sessions, guys, make sure to follow this FB page and you have to like scroll lang the feed, the page, nandoon lahat ng recordings natin. Okay? But for now, I need everyone to actually focus on this kasi this will help you a lot. Sino dito ang may personal Instagram at may personal Facebook page? Comment me. Comment me if may Instagram ka or Facebook. Ayan. Alam mo ba na pagka inoptimize mo ang inyong Instagram and Facebook, no? And if you actually maximize this, pwede mo na makuha ang first client mo, 'di ba? So, ayan. So excited din ako mag-start because I am about to introduce to you our resource speaker for today from, of course, Setters PH. Ayan. Setters PH community. I want you all to say hello to Miss Ina. Say hello to Miss Ina. Hello, Miss Ina. Ayan. Mag-hello muna tayo kay Miss Ina sa comment section. I think naka-mute ka, Mima. Naka-mute ka. Ayan. There.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Ayan, Miss Ina, thank you naman so much for your time. And of course, to our audience, maraming salamat sa oras nyo at talagang nandito kayo on a Thursday evening, no? Miss Ina, today we're gonna talk about FB and Instagram as a way to get clients. Am I right?
Yes, that's right, Sir Jam.
Yes. So, without further ado, Madam, I will give you the floor. Maraming salamat din sa oras mo, Miss Ina, and I'm sure everyone's ready to listen to you and to learn from you. For now, I will go down. Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Thank you for having me here. So, hi, good evening, everyone. Again, I'm Ina from Setters PH, and tonight we will discuss about how to get or generate leads from Facebook and Instagram account. So usually we find our clients, no, or in my case, sa LinkedIn, but hindi naman lahat ng leads can be found on LinkedIn. So tonight I will teach you how you can find leads from Facebook and Instagram. So, first of all, ano ba yung mga industries na pwede nating mahanap from Facebook and Instagram? So, we can find small businesses such as real estate, what else? Mga engineers, plumbers, and mga clothing brands na usually na hindi naman nagpo-post or hindi natin nakikita sa LinkedIn account. Okay? So, yun ko lang yung notes ko. So again, best industries to use Facebook in finding leads are the real estate. You can find property buyers, sellers, mga real estate agents, e-commerce industry, health and wellness. What else? Travel and tourism. So those are the industries. Automotive, event planning, healthcare, fashion and apparel, and small businesses as well as local services. Okay? So ngayon, I will teach you two strategies on how you can find and contact leads on Facebook. Okay. So first is you have to use your personal Facebook account. And you have to join relevant Facebook groups. So if I may, just share my Facebook here. I will show you how you can do it. Mabilis po ba ako? Or if you have any questions na as early as now. There. So what we need to do is to join relevant Facebook groups. In my case, what you have to do is to go to the search bar, no? And in my case, I already joined a group. For example, in my case, coffee suppliers. And then the first strategy is to look for the comments. Look for the comments here. For example, you will look for their one by one na sa tingin nyo is my business or owner ng small business. For example, this one, we can look at, hindi po kayo titingin dun sa Facebook page, but you will look muna dun sa personal account na posibleng may-ari ng business. So medyo mabagal lang yung internet natin. And then, so you see, this one is like, she's a host, performer, and entrepreneur. We can view her profile. And you go to about. Unfortunately, nilock niya yung profile niya yata. So, hindi natin siya makikita if owner ba siya ng business. Let's look for another one. So, kung mapapansin nyo, talagang iisa-isahin natin. And kung magiging swerte tayo, makakahanap tayo ng business owner here sa group na to. You can also try to join like mga health and wellness groups. Mas madali kung naka-public sila kasi kung private, medyo matatagalan pa yung pag-join nyo. So, pumunta tayo sa Facebook account niya, then we can view the profile. And we can look at his about. So that's step number 3, I guess. Let's try another one. So I joined this Coffee Suppliers Philippines, this group, because maybe may mga ano dito mga cafe owners, no? Or mga sellers or suppliers na with regards to coffee, mga blender, and also the beans. So again, let's view profile. Hindi pa rin. Let's try. This one. So guys, sample lang tong ginagawa ko but this is how you find your leads. So first you will join a relevant group in Facebook. Depende sa target nyong industry, yung sinabi ko nga kanina. And then once you join the group, you will hover sa mga comment section, and this is the way, iisa-isahin nyo yung mga comments, and you will look at the profile of kung sino yung mga nagko-comment doon. So let's go again to the profile. Okay. For example, you found one na lead mo. For example, this one, Barista Ariel. So you can now send him a message, but you can send him a message, but remember, in Facebook, you don't have to be so formal. You can be informal about it. Like, you have to build your rapport. So what you can do, if for example, this is the target lead that you want to connect with, you can add him as a friend. Okay. And once you add him and he accepts your connection, you can message him na. You can you can communicate and engage with your target lead. Okay. So that is the first strategy. You join a group, hover through the comments, and iisa-isahin nyo talaga kung sino kaya dito sa mga to yung owner of business that you can engage with. So now the second strategy, once you joined a group, you will go to people. Okay? So same group. And then ang isang tip ko, or you have to remember na dapat iwasan niyo yung mga admin or moderator. Kasi baka i-kick out ka nila sa group if they just see you na sumali ka lang for the purpose of, finding your leads. So Again, iisa-isahin mo ulit yung member ng grupo. Okay. For example, let's see this one. This is a page. Let's open that one. Okay, so you already open it. Let's go to view profile. And then let's go to about. Hindi ito what do you call this? Hindi natin makikita dito yung owner kasi walang naka-mention dito na contact info. So let's try another one because you are going to find the owner. No, we are looking for the leads. Let's try this one. Oh, let's try this one. So again, iisa-isahin natin and then we will view their profile. Para ka lang nag-i-stalk. Let's go to about. So this one is not a business owner. There is a contact info pero walang nagli-lead towards dun sa may-ari ng tablewares.ph in this case. But let's try to look for more. This one. Again, I think this is a Facebook page. And this one. Let's try. Let's view profile. May makikita tayong owner dito. Let's try this one. Okay. Wala pa rin tayong makitang may-ari ng small business.
Correct. Pero yun talaga reality, guys. Talagang uusisain mo talaga isa-isa. Ito yung totoong nangyayari when it comes to
Yes.
this method of lead gen. Talagang, patatagan talaga ng patience. Ganon. Di ba, madam?
Yes. So patience is the key when you're looking for your leads or target leads.
Di ba? Patience means dollars. Ganon. Yun
Thank you,
dapat.
Sir Jam. So,
Comment dollars if you want dollars sa comment section. Come on. Yes, madam.
let's try this one kung may ano ba dito, may pag-asa. However, another tip is you can look for how many friends or following meron sila. If you think they can hire a virtual assistant or a lead generator.
Ayan, isa lang ang may gusto ng dollars, si Ken lang. O paano yung 28? Ayaw niya ng dollars? Comment dollars, come on. If gusto niya ng dollars, because patience means dollars. Ganon.
Ganon. Okay, I think I'm not getting any luck here looking for leads, but I want you to remember the two strategies. Can you comment, paano ba to, Sir Jam? Can you comment the two strategies that nakuha nila?
Comment the two strategies na nakuha nyo para kumuha ng leads via Facebook. Come on, yung learnings nyo, ilagay nyo dyan, guys. Ano naalala nyo sa napanood nyo? Ewan ko na lang kung hindi nyo na-catch yan. O, tinan mo, nung sinabi kong dollars, nabuhay ang mga tao. I like it for you guys. Manifesting for you. Literal,
Okay,
money-investing.
Sige, i-recap ko na lang. So again, in finding, join FB groups, tama si Sir Michael John Villar. Relevant FB groups. And then the first strategy is to look for the comments. Talagang iisa-isahin natin yung comments and you will look for their profile. If they are small business owners or what else, or whatever target clients that you are looking for. The
Correct.
second one is you are going to go to people and again, iisa-isahin nyo ulit yung members and wag lang po natin pipiliin yung admin or yung moderator ng FB group kasi you can be kicked out if they notice that you are just, looking for leads dun sa group na sinalihan nyo. Okay? So those are the two strategies in Facebook prospecting or lead generation.
Ayan, o diba? Pangmalakasan.
Yes, another tip is you can look if they have many followers, no? Or they have many following as well. Okay. So, sir, let's go to the Instagram prospecting.
Yes. Go to Instagram, guys. Sino dito may Instagram? Comment Instagram. Ayan.
So again, katulad din ng Facebook, what we are looking for or the industries na best na mahanap sa Instagram is yung nasa fashion and apparel, beauty and cosmetics. Usong-uso yan, diba? They're posting on Instagrams. Kasi visual, kumbaga visual kapag sa beauty and cosmetics. And yung sa mga damit naman, ganun din. What else? Again, fitness and wellness, food and beverage industry, photography and videography. Kasi di ba na-showcase ng mga photographers and videographers yung yung craft nila sa Instagram. So you can find leads na nandun sa ganong industry. What else? Jewelry and accessories. Okay? So if target mo na ang lead mo ay under jewelry and accessories, you can use Instagram as well. Parang bihira mo silang makikita sa LinkedIn, no? Again, keep in mind that small business owners, we can find them in Instagram as well. Yeah, skincare, tama. We can find them in FB and Instagram. Okay. What else? Do you know any industries that best suited for Instagram prospecting? You can comment down below. Yung mga naiisip niyo pa.
Services, service specific, mga coaches, ayan.
Yes, mga healthcare. Sa mga gyms, yung wellness coach, you can find them in Instagram as well.
Mga CEOs, founders, ayan. Kung gusto mo mag-EA, pwede kang maghanap ng mga CEOs and founders sa Instagram. Kasi usually, ito mga Tommy, di ba, nakalagay na sa pangalan nila, yung title nila.
True. Nakalagay na doon na CEO of this, kind of industry. So, there. So, if we have 2 strategies in Facebook prospecting, yeah, fitness, that's right, Ken. We have 5 in Instagram. And I want you to jot this down. The first is using Shopify. The 5 methods of Instagram lead generation. The Shopify method. Okay. For example, pipiliin natin na industry or keyword is cosmetic. Okay. We can use this actually nilagay ko na pala dito. I can present again. Makikita na ba? I-share na ba?
Hindi pa yung present na Ayan.
There. I'm sharing na. So the first method is the Shopify method. And what you have to do is to just copy paste this one. For example, you choose the keyword cosmetics, and then you can enter na. Okay. So, paano natin makikita yung Instagram account nila? We can, for example, go here. Let's open in the new tab again. And then, once you enter the website, you look for this icon, Instagram. Okay. Wait, dito ko na lang gagawin sa isa. Cosmetics. And then, by the way pala guys, before you do lead prospecting using Instagram and Facebook, i-define nyo muna kung ano yung ideal customer profile nyo, really, or the location of your prospect leads. Now, if you like to find leads from US, United Kingdom, or Australia, or any other parts of the world. So, but this one is this is just an example. This one I think is from the Philippines. But let me just show you how you can find leads from Instagram. So again, you can go to the Instagram page once you enter their website.
Me hindi ata naka-share me yung bag.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Does this apply both sa paghanap ng client and leads for client? Yes.
Yes,
You can use it for
definitely.
yourself and for your other clients as a lead gen VA. Comment learning if you're learning so far, guys. Comment learning if you're learning so far. Kanina we talked about Facebook. Now we're gonna talk about Instagram. Ayan, libre lang to, guys. No paying for ads para makuha ng clients. Ayan. Okay, let me just share this to the stage. Ayan. Perfect.
Nakikita na
Oh,
ba?
learning si Michael. Yes. Yes, Mima.
Okay na po. Nakikita na yung
Yeah, we see your
screen ko.
screen.
Okay,
Yes,
sorry for
perfect.
that. Okay. So again, this first strategy is the Shopify method. Pick up lang natin. Ika-copy paste ko lang ulit dito.
Ay, parang ibang screen ang naka-share me. Yung ano pa rin, yung StreamYard and yung kaninang Instagram.
Why?
Ayan, learning si Michael, si Gretch, si Adrian, si Vel, si Mafi. Ayan, Sabadi Bagat Raxo, dollars. Yes. We like it. We like the dollars. Yung boy na walang dollars, te.
Alipin ng dolyar.
True.
Okay. Can you now see my
Ayan,
screen?
ako na.
Yun. Okay. So again, the first strategy is the Shopify method. Again, you can just copy paste. For example, my chosen industry is cosmetics. And then let's enter it. So maybe maghahanap ako ng US based. Tingnan natin. Let's open in the new tab. Okay. So yung gusto ko is US, so I can see $sign here, and the location is nakalagay naman is US. And then, hanapin natin yung Instagram na, ano bang tawag yun? Icon sa kanyang website. Ayun. So, ito yung pupuntahan natin. Okay. For example, ang hinahanap lang ni client is like 1,000 million followers. So, parang disqualified to, no? Nasa 24.7 million followers. But for the sake of demonstrating it to you guys, so once na nakita nyo na yung kanyang Instagram page, you can follow and you can message this particular Instagram page. And maybe the best message that you can send here is that what is the best email that I can contact you, I can contact you. You can say that. Kasi usually talaga company or business page yung nandito sa Instagram. Unlike sa FB na you can see the owners. Okay? What is the best email address that I can send you a message, parang ganon. So that is the first strategy. Let's try to find more na pwedeng pasok sa 1,000 followers, because we're looking again for small owners or small business owners. Kasi to mukhang it's a big company na, yung kay Kylie Cosmetics. So again, once we go to their website, pupunta tayo dun sa, or hahanapin natin yung Instagram na icon. There. So usually nasa baba sila. Let's go here. Marami pa rin yung followers niya, no? So hindi pa din. Let's look for last na lang. I forgot din pala. So, for example, ang hinahanap yung client also or leads, for example, in the US, pupunta lang kayo dito sa part na to. Yung tawag yan, ellipsis ba, Sir Jam? And then you can view about this account para lang makita nyo kung taga-US ba talaga siya. So makikita nyo dito yung kung saan sila based. So this one is based in Qatar. So not in the US. So another qualification or another thing na kailangan yung i-check pala if yung binivisit nyo na Instagram is based dun sa what you call this, qualification nyo. Okay? So last na lang to for Shopify. Kaso dito pa lang makikita natin na Paris, but again, let's check again yung Instagram nila if they have US, if they are US based. About this account. Okay. Ito UAE naman. So, anyway, so yun yung first method, the Shopify method. Do you have questions ba with regards to this method? Because we will now proceed to the second one, which is the, in URL. Yeah, in URL method. So again, sa paghahanap sa Instagram, kailangan pasensyoso din tayo, or we have patience, no, in looking for our needs.
My questions so far, guys, comment sa comment section if you have questions. While kung wala, guys, pwede na mag-push through sa next na strategy. Ayan. Make sure you're taking notes, everybody. Make sure you're learning from this. Ayan.
Yes. So the next method is the in URL method. Ika-copy paste ko lang din to.
Madam, may question lang. Sige, habang kinaka-copy paste mo. Hello, Ma'am Ina. Ask lang if there's a limit on how many outreach you can send sa FB. May ano ba dito? May parang ban or spam. I feel like pag paulit-ulit yung message, no, Madam?
I think yes, meron. Let me check on that. I think we can search naman kung ilan yung limit per day. Per day ba yan?
Per day. Kasi ako, based on experience, pagka-copy and paste yung template ko, nababan ako for like 5 days, ganon. Yung aking messenger. So, kailangan iba-iba yung messaging mo. Iba-ibang text. Iba-ibang format.
Tip, you can create a new FB account or Instagram account for lead finding your leads. Kasi if you use your, but of course it's still personal. If you use your yung ginagamit mo talaga, pwede kang masuspend or ma-block, mahihirapan ka. So magandang gumawa ka ng isa pang account.
Parang a personal account meant for lead generation.
For lead generation.
Yung hindi ka masasaktan pagka sinuspend ka, ganon.
Yes. Okay, so this one is the in URL account method. So again, i-paste ko lang siya dito sa, ano bang tawag dito? Let's find makeup. So maybe again, another qualification is the location should be in the United States, and ang hinahanap po ulit is yung small business owners. And what else? Maybe around mga 1,000 followers na qualification. Let's look for that. This one. So sa in URL, Instagram page na talaga yung makikita nyo. No? Unlike sa Shopify, na when you use Shopify, yung company page yung makikita nyo, and you will search for the Instagram icon. Okay? Pero this one, I think, Reels to, no? Hindi siya yung mismong may-ari nung, or hindi siya entrepreneur. Hindi siya small business owner. So from here pa lang, makikita nyo na kung how many followers. So let's try yung sa 10. Let's try siguro yung cosmetics na lang din. Instead of makeup. Okay. For example lang, you choose one. Ba 'to? Ba't may ganito pa siya? Ano ba yan? Anyway. So yun yung difference ni Shopify and in URL. Sa Shopify, ipupunta ka muna niya dun sa website and then you will click the icon Instagram in the website. While in URL, diretso na makikita niyo yung Instagram page mismo. So again, if actually this one is already big, but again, you have to check if this is about this account. You can check depende sa preference or qualification nyo if saan siya based, if US, if yun yung hinahanap niyo, okay? So, but this one is based in the Philippines. So, X na siya kung yung qualification niya is in US. Okay. So, the third method is what we call the Google method. Hindi na ako mag-share because sa Google method, you will just go to Google. Okay, sa Google method, you will just go to Google and then you will just type, for example, cosmetics again, cosmetics and then USA. And then if you do that, what you will check in the Google method are the blog posts. I'll just share again pala. Hindi siya madaling method, but if you like reading blog posts, no, you can use the Google method. For example, ang keyword mo is, what do you call this? Cosmetics ulit. Cosmetics, and then i-add mo yung location, USA. So, ang tip again is you skip the sponsored. You go sa baba pa. There. So, obviously, ang mauuna talaga is yung mga, the big brands. But you can search, if you are searching for small business owners again, let's try to look or to find one. Maybe, yung mga kilala na to eh. Anyway, again, for the purpose of demonstrating, let's choose one. For example, this one. And then you will see the Instagram icon. So again, same process again. Once you open their Instagram account, you have to check the about, if your qualification or or if you're looking for leads from USA, then you have to check that. I cannot open this one now. And then if small business owners, maybe around 1,000 followers, okay? So that's the Google method. You will just type the keyword and then location. And then the fourth method is the suggestion method. Suggestion method. When you say suggestion method, yung what do you call? May lumalabas dito na suggestion sa, for example, dito siya na, saan ba siya makikita? Dito yata sa top. Anyway, dun sa suggestion method, may yung guys, yung parang may lumalabas na suggested for you, you can also do that. Kasi di ba if nakikita
Nandun
mo
sa isa mong pinakita. Ayun, yan, hindi. Same Instagram, the tab
this
earlier
one?
Before. Yeah, sa right side.
Then dito
Suggested
sa
for you.
suggested for you, yes. Kaso dito
Yan.
mga tao. No?
Yeah.
So, dyan yung makikita, di ba, may analytics to Sir Jam na,
Yeah.
what you call this, na kapag nakita nilang nagsa-search ka for cosmetics or for other apparel.
Depends on the algorithm.
Yes, algorithms pala. You can also do that. Lalabas na lang yun sa gilid or sa top ng ng Instagram account nyo. Okay? So that's the fourth one. And the last is the hashtag method. Okay? So sa hashtag method, for example, punta ka sa search, and then you can search hashtag, for example, cosmetics again, cosmetics, and then location, USA. So, ayun ulit, mag-open ka. Again, based dun sa qualifications na hanap mo or ng client mo if you already have a client. You'll view the post. Then, for example, this one, you can check it out. So this one, siguro, ano to, for 87 followers, small business, diba? And then, you look at this one and then check about this account. Kaso lang, wala pala siyang information about his location or its location. Let's try again. So this is the last method, guys, yung hashtag method. Let's check this. Then go to the page. So let's check if this is really in USA. Walang nakalagay. Pero makikita nyo naman dito na yung kanyang website is in US. Okay. So I guess that's it. Our 5 methods in generating leads from Instagram. First is the Shopify. Second is the in-URL method. The third is the Google method. Fourth is the suggest suggestion method, and lastly is the hashtag method. So, ang key to success in Instagram and Facebook prospecting is to be patient.
Yes. Patience, si mano-mano mo siyang i-reach out talaga, literal.
Yes, and another tip is if you reach out to them, you engage to them, syempre cold pa kayo. It doesn't have to be formal. You have to start by building, rapport to your prospect in FB and Instagram. Yeah, lead prospecting.
Yon.
I think
Ayan.
it's 10 o'clock na.
Ayan. So guys, did we learn? What did we learn today? Did we learn a lot? Comment learned if we learned a lot. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Miss Anna, Miss Ina, for actually imparting all these to us. Sobrang very helpful ito. Siguro naman ngayon, guys, lalo na yung mga nakapag-attend simula nung pinakaunang webinar out of 4, ay matutunan nyo na kung paano nyo makuha ang sarili nyong clients. Ayan. And if we want to learn deeper, no, more strategies kung paano magkuha ng leads or paano mag-isang lead gen VA, ayan, we have Setters PH na community. It's linked in the description box. Or you can just search setters.ph and then just join their community. Follow the instructions, guys. And pretty much, ayan, ma-access nyo na yung community, the Discord community, plus the yung parang blueprint na parang millionaire's blueprint na free course. It's a free lead gen course, deeper, wider, na talagang mag-equip sa inyo on how to become a lead gen VA or to help you get your own leads in the future as a freelancer. Once again, kung ikaw ay nalolos pa up to now, 2025 na, gusto mo maging freelancer at hindi mo alam kung paano magsimula, this is the key, guys. Learn lead gen because you're hitting two birds with one stone. Number one, you're learning how to be a lead gen VA and get leads for your client. And number two, you are learning how to get yourself a client. Diba? Ganon. Diba? So,
True.
kung ako sa inyo, wag nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Seryosohin nyo na. Enter the Setters PH na tawag dito na community, setters.ph, follow instructions, and go through that free course. Alright? Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Marami daw silang natuto, Miss Ina. Miss Ina, thank you for your time. It's 10 o'clock. Matutulog na kayo.
Yes.
Kami magsisimula pa ng araw namin. Diba? Maraming
Thank you.
salamat. See you guys again on the next webinar. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you po.